Alright, yesterday we learned how to discover and use patterns to multiply by multiples of 10. Today we'll be estimating the product of two-digit numbers. The purpose of today's lesson is to learn how to estimate the product of two-digit numbers. And by the end of the lesson, you should know how to round the product of two-digit numbers. So now we're going to go through the video like we do every day. It's 7-3 using rounding to estimate. So the words to know are apples, multiplication, and product, which we know all of these numbers already. This is nothing new for us.
How can you use rounding to estimate? Think about this question during the lesson.
Okay, so let's think about this. How can you use rounding to estimate? Ashton.
You could go to use hundreds.
Okay. Jaden.
You can use rounding to estimate to check your answer.
Good. Anyone else have a different answer? Something on them? What?
You can round to estimate to get the product or something.
Yeah. Jaden.
You can use your tens back and you had to round them.
Talk about like what we did yesterday?
No, like you round them by tens.
Okay, good. Let's go.
The workers at Mrs. Piper's apple grove picked 87 dozen apples. There are 12 apples in 1 dozen. About how many apples did the workers pick? Which operation will you use?
Okay, so what operation do you need to use to figure out this answer? Leah.
Multiplication?
Does everyone agree with that?
Yes.
You're right.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply 87 times 12 to find how many apples the workers picked. The problem asks for about how many apples. So, use rounding to estimate the answer.
Okay, you always know when you see about how many or about, you're going to round.
You can round both numbers in 87 times 12. Why might rounding both numbers be useful?
Why do you think this will be useful? Okay.
Because you can see, like, to check your answer and to make it more reasonable.
Okay. Hey,
Make it more easier to multiply.
it would be easier, right? If you round those and both had zeros on the end, that would be a lot easier.
87 and 12 may be difficult to multiply quickly.